Fuelify Gas Card is being promoted as a smart way to save money on fuel and even improve fuel efficiency. But the real question is whether it actually delivers those benefits or if it's just clever marketing. The idea sounds appealing. A single card that gives you discounts on gas and helps you spend less at the pump. Now, the concept behind this isn't completely fake. Fuel cards are real, and many companies often provide cashback, rebates, or expense tracking, especially for businesses and frequent drivers. However, here's the key point. A gas card like Fuelify does not actually improve your car's fuel efficiency. It can help you save money, but it doesn't change how your engine performs or how much fuel your car uses. There are some positives. Fuelify or similar gas cards can offer lower fuel costs through cashback or discounts, convenient payment and tracking, especially for fleets or business use, potential rewards or perks depending on the program. For people who drive a lot, those savings can add up over time. That said, there are also important downsides. First, the marketing can be misleading. Claims about improving fuel efficiency are not accurate. The card doesn't reduce fuel consumption. It only affects how much you pay. Second, savings may be limited. Some cards only work at specific stations, or the discounts may not be as large as advertised after fees or conditions. Third, there may be hidden requirements. Certain programs require minimum usage, memberships, or credit checks, which can reduce the overall value. And finally, it's not always better than alternatives. Regular cashback credit cards or loyalty programs can sometimes offer equal or better savings without restrictions. So, does Fuelify improve fuel efficiency, or is it just marketing? It's a real type of financial tool, but the efficiency claim is misleading. The bottom line is this. Fuelify can help you save money on fuel, if the terms make sense for you, but it does not make your car more efficient. It's best viewed as a payment and rewards tool, not a performance upgrade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.